Happy Friday, everyone. Well, still a chance of snow today, but not much. Then we're going to dry out for the weekend and finally see some sun, but it's actually going to get colder for the weekend. Before we get to that, let's start by talking about the snow chance. Definitely not going to be much today, but what we're looking at is a situation with off and on snow flurries during the day. So I do have to mention, even for the morning commute, you might see a little bit of light snow coming down, but again, because it's spotty, stray flurries, you might also very well have a dry morning commute. Cloudy for all, and I do think it's going to be staying cloudy throughout the day, so don't look for temperatures to rise very much with a cold air mass over us and lots of clouds. Jumping ahead to 11 a.m. lunchtime, yeah, it's still a possibility for a few flurries, but as you can see here, it is not going to be much. This model not even showing any flurry activity, but I'm going to leave the chance in there. And if you want to get technical, I think there's a chance of more steady flurry activity north of the Quad Cities. And then as you get farther and farther south, the chance of seeing flurries drops. So the farther north you live, more likely you'll be in maybe even a period of steady flurry activity. And the farther south you live, the less likely it is you'll see any flurries at all. But I'm going to keep the chance in there at least through the early afternoon hours. But I do think by 4 o'clock that'll be it, and the chance for flurries coming to an end. But notice still cloudy, and look at these temperatures. Highs today only in the upper 20s, but not feeling this warm. It is going to be windy this afternoon, gusts around 30 miles per hour. So when we're hitting our high temperatures in the upper 20s, it's only going to be feeling like the upper teens. That's what you need to be prepared for today. So once these flurries come to an end, that's it for the weekend. No more rain or snow to talk about, and decreasing cloud cover for the weekend, but cold, cold temperatures. Already tonight, a low of 20 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Finally, the clouds breaking up a little bit late tonight, but still breezy. The winds are not going to die down much tonight. We're still looking at gusts around 25 miles per hour. So with a low of 20 and those gusts around 25, feels like temperatures around 8 degrees tonight. For Saturday, still got to call it a mostly cloudy day. I think at least a little bit of sun, but not much. The clouds, I think, are going to win out once again, but a little bit better than today. But look at that high temperature, just 25 degrees, still breezy, gusts around 25 miles per hour. So the feels like temperature, the wind chill in the mid-teens tomorrow. I don't think it's going to feel much more than 14 degrees. That's what you need to be prepared for Saturday afternoon. Saturday night, looking worse than Friday night. We're going to cool down to 15 degrees because there's going to be less cloud cover. It looks like a partly cloudy night. And though there's going to be a little bit less wind than tonight, still gusts around 20 miles per hour. So when we hit that low of 15 degrees, very late Saturday night, early Sunday morning, it's going to be feeling like 1 in the Quad Cities. Finally on Sunday, I won't call it breezy anymore. We'll just call it a light breeze with gusts around 15 miles per hour. So no significant wind chill factor, but notice the temperature exactly the same as on Saturday. But I do think it'll feel a little bit better because there won't be as much wind. And at least it'll be a mostly sunny day. But a normal high temperature this time of year is in the mid-30s. So we're running about 10 degrees below normal this weekend.